This is a 2000 Ford Econoline van. I want to show you something that often happens on these older vans. In the back here we have some heater lines that sometimes will leak. Let me show you, I've had two different ones over the years. This one right here, we've got heater lines with coolant in them that run back. These are metal lines, and then there are some quick connects on the ends of these, and those went bad. So I put these simple, I just cut the metal ending off of the hose with some tin snips, and then just use these simple hose clamps, and it fixes it. I didn't have to replace any heater lines, none of this metal stuff. And then the other thing is years and years ago on this van, I'll show you this, I had one of these metal lines start rubbing and it rusted out, and it got a hole in it and started leaking. So what I did was I took some hose and just put it in between. So you can see here, there's the start, and then it goes to there. So I just intercepted it with some heater hose in between the metal lines. So I cut them with a hacksaw on both sides. A little water comes out, and then I put some heater hose in between. It's about 6 inches long with some hose clamps. That's all. It fixed it. I also put some heater hose going across to help hold this in place. There's a little screw right here where there was a bracket here that was rubbing that caused the hole. So all I'm saying is these are easy fixes. Don't panic about them. They're just easy heater hose fixes.